Hey there, Tableau users. It's Luke with User Ready. In this video, I want to briefly share a little bit about how we can help you retire your legacy BI tools like Cognos, Business Objects, Hyperion, OBIEE, Crystal Reports, SSRS, and more, and adopt a self-service approach to your analytics. If you're using legacy BI, your business is simply not receiving its data and insights as quickly as it could be, and you're not making decisions as quickly as your competition that has adopted self-serve analytics. Migrating to self-serve analytics isn't always easy though. It requires an organization to balance the needs of operational reporting and decision analytics. User Ready makes the modernization journey more predictable by automating the audit, discovery, and description process, resulting in significant cost savings for the business. We've migrated thousands of legacy BI reports to Tableau for financial services, airlines, pharma, and other industries. We're a gold partner with Tableau, and we've won Partner of the Year award 4 of the last 5 years. If you're still relying on legacy BI and need to make the switch to the modern self-service approach, User Ready can help. For qualified prospects, Tableau and User Ready are offering up to a 40-hour free proof of concept. All right, thanks so much for your time. Down below, there's a button to find some time on our team's calendar. We'll talk to you soon.